Very quick tutorial how to add a track to your jukebox. I'm in Gala Music. I purchased a JukeBox Node the other day and now I'm looking for tracks that might become the next big hit. So I've gone to the charts, for example, and we're looking at the charts here and we can see currently at number 5 up is No Escape by Leapyear, a very nice ambient song. Let's just give you a little sample of it. That's the sort of song I can see people playing over and over in the background. It's only 83 seconds long. Very atmospheric. I like it a lot. It's paired with 26 jukeboxes, currently earning $4.32 per day. It's only on its second day, so that may mean nothing. But anyway, I've just purchased that track. So let's show you how to add that onto the nodes. So we go to the nodes. So I have hosted tracks 4 out of 5, so I've got 5 tracks. I'm hosting 4 of them at the moment on my jukebox. So we go over to my music and we can see these are the 4 tracks I've already got, and let's go for the not hosted yet. So the one I've just purchased is No Escape by Leapyear. It's not hosted, so it's not on a jukebox. So we want to host that one, so we'll tick on hosted. So we'll host the selected tracks, and what we're going to need here is to put it on our jukebox. We don't host it on the community jukebox, so we check this little box here and we want the player ID for our own jukebox. So let me just go and show you where to find that. So we go over to my own music performance jukebox. Actually, we come across here. So here's my jukebox and here is our player ID. So we just copy that. So that's copied to the clipboard. Go back to my music tracks and we've got not hosted yet, this one that I've just purchased, No Escape by Leapyear. So we want to host this selected track. We want to host it on my own, so we paste in the ID of my player and here it is. I've got 4 out of 10 tracks hosted, players online, so click confirm. Need to put in a transfer code as well just to confirm that that's the case, so we just paste that in there, click continue, and that will then be hosted on my jukebox. So anyone listening to that, not anyone, there's other people hosting on their jukeboxes as well. It's paired with was it 29 jukeboxes? Let's go back and see if we can see if that's been updated. So we come back to No Escape, paired with 26 in total. So let's just see if that updates. I don't know how quick that will get updated. That could be the next day actually, so it may not update today. It may be tomorrow that that bit gets updated. So yeah, so there's the summary. So it's paired with 26 and it's 130 listens daily. Currently owning 29 music tokens, which is currently worth $4.32. Cost $100. So that would, if it remained at that, it would pay for itself in 25 days. And after that it would give you a passive income. And if it becomes a really popular track and people start playing it lots, because people can play it for free with Gala Music, then I'm imagining that could earn a fair bit more. And that would give some publicity to Leapyear as an artist, potentially sell more NFTs, and that's how the money is generated and comes in to Gala Music and to the artist. And rewarding those who purchase those NFTs. So it's a music NFT. Anyway, if you'd like to be kept up to date how this progresses and see my journey, see if this is something worth doing, my gut feeling is that it is. It's really good fun. I'm starting to really get the hang of it now. So do subscribe, keep up to date. Thanks for watching. Hope that was useful. We'll see you on the next video.